Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on TaskRabbit. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your phone number on TaskRabbit. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to TaskRabbit. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account. Then it might ask you to verify your account with your phone number, so go ahead and verify it. Then on the middle hand side, click on your phone number. And then this is where you can enter your new phone number. So enter your new phone number here, then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your phone number on TaskRabbit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.